daily routines drain energy on tasks that shouldn't matter. Amazon's flooded with smart gadgets claiming to fix everything, but most are gimmicks. We tested hundreds and found 30 that actually deliver. These solve real problems you face every day. All product links are in the description below. 30. Omi Smart Assistant Desk-Sized AI Brain. Imagine an assistant responding before you finish sentences. Omi's mini smart brain transforms any space into a productivity hub through built-in voice control. It organizes your day, controls gadgets, and delivers information in seconds. The minimalist design fits any setup with a magnetic base adjusting however you want. Omi transcribes, translates, remembers tasks, and manages complete routines, turning scattered commands into automated workflows. 29. Wall Mount Shower Dispenser Bathroom Declutter. This triple wall mount shower dispenser keeps shampoo, conditioner, and soap organized within easy reach. Wall-mounted design clears shower clutter, while stainless steel pumps deliver smooth, consistent amounts every time. Refillable bottles simplify product swapping, and the rust-resistant finish handles daily use without degradation. 28. Boil-over Safeguard Lids Microwave Mess Prevention. These flexible lids fit bowls, pots, and plates, stopping microwave splashes and stovetop boilovers completely. Heat-safe silicone keeps food warm, acts as steam covers, and cleans easily in dishwashers or by hand. They make cooking, reheating, and storing leftovers significantly less messy without adding bulk. 27. Mudra Band Control Devices with Hand Gestures. The world's first neural band interprets MG signals from your muscles, controlling iPhone, iPad, or Mac through simple hand gestures. Natural movements create smooth, futuristic experiences, redefining connections between mind, body, and device. Mudra marks the beginning of a gestural computing era where physical touch becomes optional. 26. Foldimate Automated Laundry Folding. Foldimate handles everything from shirts and pants to towels and bulky items, delivering perfectly folded clothes every time. Compact design fits into home setups seamlessly. Load laundry, pick, fold, or iron mode, and it handles the rest. Clothes emerge ready to wear without manual effort or wrinkled frustration. 25. Fingerbot plus Smart Button Pusher. This tiny device physically pushes regular buttons and switches for you remotely. Stick it next to light switches or appliance buttons, control via phone using Bluetooth and Smart Life app. Pair with Bluetooth hubs for timers or voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, making old devices smarter without rewiring. 24. Tri-Folding Laundry Rack Space, Saving Drying. This wall-mounted drying rack features an extended arm with 18 sliding hooks for hanging multiple clothes simultaneously. It folds and swings 0 to 180, storing completely flat when not needed while supporting up to 220 pounds. Rotating hooks adjust to catch maximum sunshine and airflow for faster drying. 23. Defrosting Tray Multi-Tool Meat Prep. This tray uses ambient heat and metal conductivity to rapidly thaw frozen meat without hot water or microwaves. Built-in knife sharpener, garlic crusher, and cutting board create an all-in-one prep station. It makes quick meal preparation genuinely quick instead of waiting hours for defrosting. 22. High Reach Duster Kit 20-foot Ceiling Cleaning. Extendable duster kit reaches up to 20 feet, tackling high ceilings without ladders. Includes multi-angle squeegee for windows, microfiber feather duster protecting surfaces, and additional attachments for versatile cleaning. Strong extension pole and quick assembly design make high-access cleaning effortless. 21. Tension Relief Sandals Acupressure Foot Massage. Regular use relieves lower back pain, migraines, and plantar fasciitis discomfort through acupressure stimulation. Each slipper contains 39 built-in massage buttons targeting foot pressure points, improving blood circulation. Initial discomfort occurs as massage knobs stretch tight plantar muscles, but benefits accumulate with consistent use. 20. Photon Matrix Laser Insect Killer. Compact laser system zaps mosquitoes, flies, and flying bugs, moving up to 1 meter per second, indoors and outdoors. Standard model covers 7 square meters, advanced version protects up to 28 square meters. No buzzing, no chemical sprays, just silent laser precision eliminating pests. 19. ICO Active Buds ABO2 Touchscreen Earbuds. World's first earbuds with integrated touchscreen, allowing translation, transcription, and music control without touching phones. Built-in AI recognizes voice commands, adjusts sound, and provides active noise cancellation. Technology, style, and functionality converge in a single smart device redefining portable audio. 18. 360 Panoramic Vision System Eliminate blind spots. 4 wide-angle cameras connected to a central display show real-time high-definition images around vehicles. Ideal for parking, navigating tight spaces, or maneuvering with precision while night vision and obstacle detection ensure safety. Blind spots disappear completely through comprehensive visual coverage. 17. Digital Nail Printer 2-minute Custom Designs. Japanese nail printing machine decorates 10 fingernails in under 2 minutes with unique custom designs. Choose from over 300 designs or upload personal images. The machine handles everything automatically. This eliminates salon wait times while delivering professional quality nail art at home. 16. Baseus 11 in 1 docking station ultimate connectivity. Features 4K HDMI ports, USB ports, SD card reader, Ethernet, and 100-watt fast charging. Connect monitors, keyboards, and devices without slowing computer performance. Durable aluminum construction stays cool during extended use, transforming desks into modern, efficient workspaces. 15. Rocketbook Reusable Smart Notebook. Write, erase with damp cloth, and instantly digitize notes using the Rocketbook app. Compatible with Google Drive, Dropbox, and Evernote, saving ideas to cloud with page scans. Reusable paper maintains real writing feel while helping the environment through reduced paper waste. 14. Uvala Emotional AI Digital Companionship. Upload voice clips and photos, creating gentle digital presence reminding you of someone you miss. It remembers important moments, conversations, and small details, growing with you naturally over time. No camera and local-first memory system keeps personal moments private, safe, and completely yours. 13. Foreo Flip LED Hairbrush Scalp Therapy. Soft, flexible bristles gently detangle knots from root to tip, reducing breakage. Red LEDs strengthen strands deep in scalp. Blue LEDs calm irritation and clear follicles. Green LEDs improve circulation, feeding hair with nutrients. 12. Domer Intelligent Door Keyless Smart Entry. Self-locking multiple points keep homes protected. Camera and sensors show visitors or deliveries. Opens automatically for approved people, kids and pets enter without keys. Works as smart home control and alarm. No batteries required, always functioning without maintenance hassles. 11. Ecovacs WinBot W1 Automated Window Cleaning. Cross Auto Spray technology dissolves stubborn stains for easy wiping. Steady climbing system and wide-angle spray keep surfaces evenly wet for consistent cleaning. AI-powered path planning ensures full coverage with streak-free microfiber pad results. 10. Yabo Snowblower Robot Autonomous Snow Removal. Schedule snow removal via phone app even before snowfall begins. Detects people, pets, and obstacles, avoiding crashes automatically while throwing snow exactly where you want. Handles ice and hills effortlessly, clearing large spaces autonomously with wide scoop. 9. Autocast P3 Wireless CarPlay Upgrade. Transforms any CarPlay car into super smart entertainment system. Watch YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify directly on car screens, no extra cables needed. Runs on Android with 5G for fast, smooth operation through simple USB connection. 8. Baseus Retractable Car Charger 3 Device Fast Charging. Powers laptops, tablets, and phones simultaneously with fast charging technology. Smart cooling saves energy while metal design fits any car interior. LED light shows charging status, turning cigarette lighters into powerful energy stations. 7. Bidet attachment modern bathroom hygiene. Easy installation fits most toilets with adjustable water pressure for gentle, effective cleaning. Slim design saves space using water-resistant materials, no electricity needed. Reduces toilet paper use while improving personal hygiene eco-friendly. 6. Rideable luggage roller motorized carry-on. Reaches speeds up to 6.2 mph while meeting TSA carry-on requirements with 31-liter capacity. 200-watt motor supports riders up to 242 pounds with durable ABS plus PC shell. Removable power bank keeps devices charged during travel, eliminating luggage struggle. 5. Plastic bag dispenser kitchen organization. Stainless steel holder features smooth, fingerprint-resistant surface staying perpetually clean. Mounts easily on walls or cabinets, holding up to 18 grocery bags. Simple way reducing plastic waste while maintaining organized, clutter-free kitchens. 4. Belleron hot air dryer and iron hands-free shirt care. Hands-free ironing system dries and smooths shirts automatically using warm, controlled air. Place damp shirts inside, press button, walk away, returning to wrinkle-free results. Adjustable inflatable form fits medium to XL, gently stretching cotton, linen, synthetics, and blends. 3. Holikme dryer vent cleaner fire prevention. Prevents dangerous fires from lint buildup through regular vent cleaning. Attaches to most vacuums with thin, flexible hose reaching deep into vents, removing years of debris. Over 12,000 five-star reviews praise ease of use and effectiveness, keeping dryers safe. 2. SwitchBot blind automated window shades. Transforms regular blinds into smart blinds through simple installation. Built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery plus solar panel for eco-friendly continuous charging. High-precision motor adjusts blinds within 2, while built-in light sensor automatically responds to outdoor brightness. 1. Sakai blowgun compressed air cleaning. Strong airflow sweeps away dust, wood shavings, and debris from workshops, vehicles, or machinery. Tough aluminum construction with rotating nozzle and multiple interchangeable attachments for precise cleaning. Powered by air compressors, delivering consistent performance using minimal energy, making maintenance fast and efficient. That's it for now. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Links to everything are in the description. Thanks for watching.